Hello my beauties and welcome back to another video. Today I'm thinking about starting this, definitely gonna start my series where I try out Marvel looks, like inspired by Marvel characters, because I thought it'd be cool. Plus I'm in love with Marvel, so why not add to my addiction? So today I'm just gonna go around, find some quick palettes that have the colors I'm looking for today, and I'll let you know what we're doing today. Let's go. So today I think I'm gonna do Thor. I seen a comment the other day, well not the other day, but when my video came out, about a Marvel character that I should do, and I should definitely, I just have to like find all the correct colors that coordinate with that character, and then we're all set. But today we're gonna do Thor, because I was originally gonna have this video be like a green theme, because like I'm wearing like an ET shirt right now. I was originally gonna make it a like extraterrestrial kind of, not really just like aliens, the typical green alien type of thing. But I was just sitting here and I'm like, I have this like whole palette right here just full of like glitters, like nothing but like glitters, and I'm like, these are like very pretty, so I think I'm gonna do it. And I'm just gonna tell you the colors that they kind of look like so you get the idea of what I'm going for here. But I did already prime up my face. I don't know if you can tell how shiny I am. And yeah, so I'm gonna use I think I'm gonna go like, not knock over everything that I have though, that's for sure. I think I'm gonna do, now the look that I have today is gonna be an interesting one at that, because I am nervous to try it, but we're gonna do it anyway. If we fail, we fail. Who cares? I kind of do, but it's okay. Anyway, so I'm gonna go with my blue. It's like a dark, deep glitter blue right here. If you can see that all that well, look at that awesome window. Anyway, so we're just gonna create a slight like wing. I've been obsessed with the wings, the eyeshadow like wings. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with that color on like the outside, you know, basic wing, and then on the inside I'm gonna go in with either this kind of silver color right here or the silver color in this palette. And I realized I have to add gold somewhere, but I also have to have red. So I'm thinking about putting red like on the inside right here and then like gold, but I don't know how that'd look. I could put red on the bottom. Yeah, that'd be dramatic. Okay, I'll do blue, silver, and gold on the top, and then red as the under color. This is gonna be interesting. We know red for the lips because see, we're making up as we go. I don't plan these things out. I need to, but I don't. Don't ask, I don't know. So we'll do blue, silver, gold, red. When I say red, I mean red. Okay, let's get started. So I've already primed up and everything, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and I'm gonna go right on the outside here. And if you want to know this palette, I will leave the name of it below so you can check it out, because all these colors are absolutely amazing in my personal opinion. So this is my first time trying out it, so you're welcome. I should have put this on my love-hate review, but honestly, this is much better. I want to say funner, but it's not a word. My favorite scene from like most Thor movies, which I'm thinking in particular Ragnarok, would be the scene where he's explaining his hammer to Korg, I think it is. Yeah, that's his name, Korg. It's just, oh my god, it took your arm off. No, it hoisted me into the air and I flew. I don't know. I just don't know why I was just thinking of that just now, but I will totally show you a clip of it in a minute here.
I had my hammer.
Your hammer?
Quite unique. It was made from this special metal from the heart of a dying star. And when I spun it really, really fast, it gave me the ability to fly.
You rode a hammer?
No, I didn't ride the hammer.
The hammer rode you on your back?
No. I used to spin it really fast, and it would pull me off the...
Oh my god, the hammer pulled you off?
The ground. It would pull me off the ground up into the air, and I would fly. Every time I threw it, it would always...
Aggression. Okay, moving on. So I think I actually will go in with this color, only because the silver color that is on here is more of a blue, and this looks like more of an indigo, but it also looks more like a blue too. I'm very conflicted, so I'm gonna just set this palette aside, this is something London. You're welcome. I'll leave a name somewhere around here so you can see it for yourself. Something London, totally not the name. So I'm gonna go in, before I put that on, I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow primer and I'm going to put it on the eyelid. I think I'm gonna bust out this mirror again so I don't have to look so far. Ow! Jeez. So I'm just gonna apply it to the lid. That way when I apply it, this silver-ish color, you can see it a lot better. You're welcome. Boom. And now see, I don't understand, like I don't see if it's bad or not, so honestly, because I like it a lot. I like this process so far. That's a lot more than I wanted. And so I'm just gonna go with it. I probably should have pulled up like a reference photo, but it's okay. And all I'm gonna go in is with my flat brush here, and this is what it looks like, by the way, just so you know. Shiny, shiny, shiny. We're gonna go in. We're just gonna layer this on so much. Now it kind of looks gold. I totally understand that I can't see colors, but that's okay. Asgard's kind of gold. It is gold. Nothing but just everywhere. Okay. I'm not sad. I'm a little disappointed, but I'm not sad. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's like a purple, but it's also like a metal color, if that makes any sense. And I'm gonna mix them and pray that it turns out gray. That's better. That's better. It's like a blue gray with now a hint of gold. Okay, I'm in love now. Okay, I like this. You can still see some blue because it's not all the way blended, but that's okay. Look at that. Ooh, it looks terrible probably. Kidding, kind of. Okay, I don't know what that was, but alright. So all I'm doing is just going over the gold with this. And hopefully it also blends into the blue a little better. Definitely, I can tell you a metal vibe from this. I feel like the blue needs to be more, you know, blue, but that's okay. We'll turn the other way and say boom. That, okay. Okay, I need this palette. So, now that that train wreck is over with, we're gonna go in with a tiny brush and take my glitter gold and make this even worse. Okay, that looks surprisingly good. Okay, I'm not ashamed. I'm not ashamed. This is actually pretty good. Okay, Thor, folks. Thor. The eyeshadow's a tad bit questionable on the outside, but honestly, it's not that bad. Okay. Wow, okay. Wow, I haven't posted a video in like days and we come out with this. I see myself. Okay. We're gonna move on before I like fiddle with this more. I'm gonna do my eyeliner, then we're gonna clean up because my face is a little blotchy, but that's okay. We can fix that. We're gonna do my eyeliner. We're gonna skip past this because this is always the painfulest part for me to watch when I like edit. So you're welcome. I'm saving your guys' life. Moving on. We'll fill it in with like a cool Thor Ragnarok clip that I can hopefully put in this video. You're welcome. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Anyway, moving on. Okay, eyeliner perfectly accomplished. Now that we got in with that, I'm gonna clean up with some mascara, which I probably honestly should do like my makeup first. That's disgusting. Like, you know, like my foundation and, you know, powders and all that funky stuff. But I'm gonna go in with this stuff first because, you know, I'm here, might as well get it up and out of the way. So for the third idea, because I'm probably either gonna do Iron Man or Spider-Man, because I can, yeah. But yeah, there's that. So I'll finish up, clean it up, and then I'll show you blush that the blush technique that I'm gonna do, and then my lips, and then we're gonna be done. Unless spontaneous something. So now I'm going in with my blush. I'm gonna use the one that I've been using for like 3 videos now. the 3CE one because I can. Don't bully me, okay? Mad respect for reusing the same blush for the past like 3 videos now. You know? Original. I don't know, I just like the way it looks, okay? Gosh. I need to get more, Holmes. I need to get more. And what's really bothering me is that I feel like there's something in like the corner of my eye, but I just can't get to it. Oh, that looks like there's a lot over here. And it's bothering me so much. I feel like I put a lot on, but honestly, I'm kind of digging it. Finishing touches there. What am I doing next? Totally forgot. Now I remember. Lips, because I have to. I have to get that done. So yeah. And I still have these Lippie sticks. I've used like 2 of them now. So the third one, which is like I think the brightest one. No, it's not really that bright, but I don't want it that bright anyway. I have lip gloss on. Hold up. Fix that. Okay. I'm gonna go in with this one, which looks aggressively used. I think I used this like 2 times before. Verde Valley Lippie stick. It's kind of good. I like ColourPop. That's all I'm gonna say. I like ColourPop. I don't know what gives that away, but I like ColourPop. See, I like this red that I have going on with this look because it's not like a bright red, but it's also not like a dull red. It's like an in the middle. And it perfectly captures, in my opinion, Thor's like cape. Not thinking about when he like lost it. He doesn't have it anymore, like recent movies, but it reminds me of like probably the first 2, just the 2. 1 and 2, I mean. I'm gonna go in with my lip gloss because I don't want to be dry out here. Just to give it a little shine too, and that way I don't feel like that way I don't feel like dry during the day. That way I don't feel like dry during the day, you know? But yeah, there we go. We got it done. It looks fantastic. Oh, hello hair. Okay, I understand. So this is how we're going today. I like how I just have the kind of like the same look almost every episode. Video. Okay, so yeah, this is the look, the Thor look, if you can see all that fun stuff. I will be posting pictures on my Instagram as always. If you like the videos, like and subscribe, because why not, because you're down there anyway. And comment who I should do next after my next video, which you just kind of got a sneak peek to because I already told you. But I'll see you beauties in the next video. Bye.